Okay, guys, so today we are going to talk about shapes. We get two different types of shapes. We get 2D shapes, which is two-dimensional shapes, and we get 3D shapes, which is three-dimensional shapes. Now, what is the difference between a 2D shape and a 3D shape? A 2D shape has two ways. It goes from side to side, and it goes up and down. Whereas a 3D shape has three different ways. It goes side to side, it goes up and down, and it goes back and forth. Now, another way to know if it is a 2D or 3D shape is by looking if it is flat or if it is fat. Now let's have a look at a circle. An example of a circle is a CD or a DVD. Now this object is a flat object, and that's how we know it is a 2D shape. If we look at a sphere, an example of sphere is a ball. Now this is definitely not a flat object. It is fat. So that's how we know it is a 3D shape. 3D shapes are fat and not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is like a building tall. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is like the dice you drop. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Now, what I would like you to do in the following slides is look at the shapes at the bottom. You need to say if it is a 3D shape or a 2D shape, and then you need to drag it to the correct side. So at the corner at the bottom, you'll see a square. This square has two sides and it is flat. That's how we know it is a 2D shape. So I would like you to move all these shapes to the correct spot. Then I would like you to look at the following shapes and type in their correct names. And lastly, I would like you to look at these objects and say, what shape do you see in them? So what shape is an ice cube? What shape is a battery? What is the shape of a tent? And what is the shape of Earth?